Mahavoor Rana, accused in the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, has approached the United States Supreme Court seeking an emergency stay on his extradition to India. In his application, Rana argued that due to deteriorating health conditions, he would not survive long enough to face trials in India. Rana claimed that if a stay were not granted, he would be deprived of any legal review, causing US courts to lose jurisdiction, and his death would occur soon after. He stated that because of his Muslim religion, his Pakistani origin, his status as a former member of the Pakistani army, the relation of the putative charge of the 2008 Mumbai attacks, and his chronic health conditions, he is even more likely to be tortured than otherwise would be the case. And that torture is very likely to kill him in short order. Rana referenced the 2023 Human Rights Watch World Report, which highlights the alleged discrimination faced by religious minorities, particularly Muslims, under the BJP-led government. He further argued that India's increasingly autocratic government would put him at significant risk of torture if extradited. Rana also cited his deteriorating health, including a 3.5 centimeter abdominal aortic aneurysm at risk of rupture, Parkinson's disease with cognitive decline, and a mass suggesting bladder cancer. He stated that sending him to India would expose him to religious, national, cultural animosity, further increasing the danger. The US Supreme Court recently rejected Rana's review petition, and shortly after, President Donald Trump approved his extradition, labeling him as very evil. Reportedly, Rana is closely linked to David Coleman Headley, one of the main conspirators in the 2008 Mumbai attacks. He has been accused of connections with Lashkar-e-Taiba and Pakistan's inter-services intelligence, with his role in facilitating the attacks remaining a contentious issue between India and the United States.